Today's topic is hormonal control during puberty in males. First of all, what is puberty? Puberty is a period when reproductive organs they become functional. Puberty is a period when reproductive organs become functional, and in male it is attained between the age of 13 to 16 years. Puberty triggers by secretion of male sex hormone, that is testosterone, in the testis. This hormone it is responsible for growth and maturation of secondary sex organs and development of secondary sexual characters. Testes, they are the primary sex organs. All the other organs like epididymis, vas deferens, penis, these are the secondary sex organs. So testosterone, it is responsible for development, maintenance, functioning and growth of the secondary sex organs like epididymis, vas deferens and penis, and it is also responsible for secondary sexual characters. What are secondary sexual characters? Which help us to distinguish a male from a female. These characters in males they include broadening of shoulders, growth of body and facial hairs, deepening of voice, increased development of musculature and bones, increase in height. So these are the some of the characters which characterize the male puberty. Now, how the hormones they control the puberty? Let us see. The male sex hormone testosterone, it controls growth, maintenance and function of secondary sexual organs like epididymis, vas deferens and penis. It also controls growth and function of accessory glands like seminal vesicle, prostate gland and the corpus gland. तीनों के ग्लैंड्स के फंक्शंस को भी कंट्रोल करता है. This testosterone is secreted by the Leydig cells of the testis, and growth, maintenance and functions of Leydig cells and seminiferous tubules, they are controlled by the two hormones, follicle stimulating hormone and interstitial cell stimulating hormone. And these two hormones they are released by anterior lobe of pituitary. Anterior lobe of pituitary is also known as adenohypophysis, and the release of FSH and ICSH from pituitary, it is further controlled by hypothalamus. That is, if hypothalamus releases gonadotropin releasing hormone, then pituitary will release FSH and ICSH. Let us see the summary. Now, पहले हम उल्टा देखते हैं. टेस्टोस्टेरोन कहाँ से रिलीज होता है? लीडिग सेल से. और टेस्टोस्टेरोन रिलीज होगा या नहीं? दिस इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय FSH and ICSH which are released by anterior lobe of pituitary. Whether FSH or ICSH will be released by anterior lobe of pituitary, it is decided by hypothalamus. Means, let us see. First of all, hypothalamus releases gonadotropin releaser hormone, and this stimulates the anterior lobe of pituitary to release two hormones, follicle stimulating hormone and the interstitial cell stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone, it acts upon the Sertoli cells, and these cells they release antigen binding proteins and inhibin. Antigen binding proteins they play a role in spermatogenesis by concentrating the testosterone, and inhibin released by Sertoli cells, it suppresses the release of follicle stimulating hormone. ICSH, it acts upon the Leydig cells and stimulates them to secrete testosterone, and this testosterone then it controls the functioning of secondary sex organs plus the accessory glands. That is, secondary sex organs, they include uh, epididymis, vas efferents, vas deferens, and external genitalia, and accessory glands like seminal vesicle, prostate glands, and the corpus gland. This is the hormonal control in males during puberty.